Good morning, everybody. It's been a minute, I know. Life been lifing, got a new job, got a new place to live, and the result of that is I haven't been doing things to the car. Now, the stuff that's been going on, all good things, it's just, I've been busy. But now I'm back on that streak of doing stuff to my car. First thing today, I have the back tail wing for my RS5 from Carbon Imports. It's all carbon fiber. It's a nice size to it. It really enhances the look. I cannot wait for this thing to come in the mail today. Like, I'm literally at my front door checking the GPS tracker for the package to come so I can put this thing on today, because tomorrow is the Cars and Coffee show and I gotta have it. So hopefully it comes in a good time today where I can put it on, do some content, and hopefully get all that together for the car show tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna run some errands. I'm gonna check out a place to do my tent. I am going to look at some other things, and hopefully the rest of my stuff comes in the mail within the next few days so I can do some more things and show y'all that. But today is going to be dedicated to Carbon Imports and their wing for the retractable wing in the back. So we're gonna look and see. Hopefully it comes today, and yeah, because it's literally Friday, and sometimes, oh, there's a delay, and you know how that goes. So if it doesn't get delivered on the Friday, it's gonna come on Monday, and if it doesn't come on Friday, the show is tomorrow, and I'm gonna be stuck. So hopefully this thing comes today, and we'll see what's up. But let's see what happens. Wow, look at all this stuff at the front door. We have everything that we're getting. I see some stuff from Carbon Imports and some other stuff here. I don't know what this is, but we gonna find out. And that's something else for my car. All right, y'all, that other package, I didn't know what it was, but the main thing that I was looking for was this. It's my carbon fiber wing from Carbon Imports. The car getting the tent done on it now, so I'm about to pop this thing open and see how it looks. Do like an open box for y'all, but I got some other stuff coming. Well, that's here too. We're gonna get to what this is later, but for now, let's focus on this. Alrighty, let's see. Alright, shipping quality is better than what I thought. They even have like these little plastic things on the edges so they won't get chipped. But I cut through it real good. Man, the finish on this looks great. So now it's time to take it out. And there it is. Wow. The quality on it is amazing. If y'all can see how deep the weave looks on it, I would say this is a really good product. You know what? Let's take these off. Edges look great. In fact, I might leave it on while I'm preparing it, or I might have to take it off. I don't know. But let's take this side off. Great edge on there. And on the back, we got the double-sided tape, but it's glossy. It's all get out. Look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to put this on. So here it is. Look at it and all those glory. And if you want to get this from Carbon Imports, definitely hit them up, because this thing looks amazing. New tint job on the car, looking all good and everything. Got that going with the carbon fiber, and they had this something to the front windshield too, but it's at night. But what I have to change is this. So this is the Maxton one, and I kind of put like a carbon fiber wrap on it to kind of make it look better, but it's about to get changed from the one from Carbon Imports. Now the Maxton one was great. It was real cool, but I just wanted something a little bit more bigger and defined. So now we gotta take this joker off. This is gonna be an at night video because the car's show in the morning, but this wrap has to come off to make room for the other one. Look how cute, the stock wing. It don't even look like it is a wing on the back, but there it is, the stock wing. Regular as all get out. All right, so here is a rough, I just put it on there really, a rough placement of it, but you see that carbon fiber weave just glistening at night. But that's how it's gonna look. Now it's time to take all the tape off of it and mount it real good, because car's showing them on it, and that wing looks good against the new tint and everything. But it's going together. What a size difference on it. Now, it came with some good tape on it around there, but I put some on there just as a reinforcement. But that's the Max Stun, and this is Carbon Imports. Big difference. So, yeah, gotta finish that. And like I said, I would do some daytime equipment, but I got a car show in the morning, but it is on. Nice and fixed and everything. That weave is really, really, really sticking on the car. Like for real. Do y'all see how intricate that is? It's reflecting good. So at night I know it is sticking, but let's look at it. I think that is a good angle for it. I think it looks extra nice. It's late, so I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow when I wake up how everything is looking. And I mean, it looked amazing at night, but I'm about to go to sleep. So tomorrow's a car show and we gotta get up for that. So holla at y'all later. Bye. And there is the wing in all its glory. Looks 10 times better. We got the rest of the crew out here. Carrie here in the RS6 making sure there's no dirt on it. Yeah, no dirt. Exactly. Not a single speck. Zero.